Hi, good morning. This is Mrs. Havens, and today is Thursday, October 7th, and I'm going to tell you what you're going to do today in reading. Okay, you have become very familiar with the story Owlface. Now it's your turn to read the entire story out loud to your mom or dad. After you read it out loud, you are going to have a comprehension test. I'm going to go over the directions with you. The comprehension test is in the workbook page, and it will not be torn out. So it is in your workbook. It is on page 37 and 38. You are not supposed to get any help from mom or dad in this exercise, this test. It says Owlface at the top. And then if your parents, the only thing they can help you on, if there is a word you don't understand or you don't understand the questions after this video, but they are not allowed to help you with the test itself. Also, you may not look back for answers in your book. So today, as you are rereading the entire story by yourself, pay close attention to everything, all the characters, the story details, the problem, the solution, the setting, all of those important story elements. That way, when it comes time for you to do the workbook page, which is the test, you will do your best and you'll be honest and you will not look back for answers because you won't even need to. Okay, so on page 37 in your workbook, part A, you have Daddy, Mom, and Amber. You are going to write the name of the person next to the number of the quotation from the story. So whatever the person said in the story, you are going to write who said it on the line. Okay, so for number 1, it says, I hate these new glasses. They make me look funny. And you're going to decide, was that Daddy who said that, Mom, or Amber? And you're going to write one of those answers on the line. You will not use one of the answers more than once. So 3 people, 3 quotations, and 1 per blank. Part B, read the problem from the story, and then you are going to decide the answer that tells how the problem was solved. Okay, now turn it to the back side. You have 2 word banks, which means that you are going to use one word only once. So in the word bank, quivered, threw, and whispered. Those are your 3 choices for 1, 2, and 3. Bind, examined, and screen. You are going to use those words to answer 4, 5, and 6. So the comprehension test is not very long today. So I need you to try your best, and when you reread it, pay close attention to everything that will be asked of you. Remember not to use your story to answer the questions. Tomorrow for reading, we are finished with Owlface. So on Fridays, we do Scholastic News. So your homeroom teacher has chosen the Scholastic News for you. If you were at school, it is on paper. It's like a little magazine article. And since you're at home, you can have the same article to work on from your Chromebook. If you have any problems logging in or don't know how to log into scholasticnews.com, please ask your homeroom teacher, because each of us have our own student password for our subscription service the school has purchased for 2nd grade. So I believe our favorite signs of fall is the one that my class is reading, and I believe that would be your class as well. So it's our 2nd October issue on Scholastic News online. If you are successful with getting into Scholastic News, I'm going to go ahead and tell you for tomorrow what is expected of you. You are going to go over the vocabulary. There's a vocabulary button after you log in, and it'll go over a few words, and we'll say them out loud and give you an example from the news article. Then afterwards, you're going to listen to the story being read to you. You are going to take a quiz over the story, which is, if you were in school, it's the back page of every issue. You will be able to immediately check your answers online. It'll let you know if you got the answers correct. And then after that, they have a video that goes with the Scholastic News as well. So that is tomorrow's, Friday's reading lesson. There really isn't a lesson for me to read out loud to you because it is all Scholastic News online. And if, like I said earlier, if you have any questions about logging in or what is expected of you for the Scholastic News while you are gone from school, please notify your homeroom teacher to help you and walk you through the process of the Scholastic News for second grade. Thank you.